Hi Aquarius, how you guys doing? Welcome to our Soul Tarot prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to enroll for a 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have the same day reading, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, you can also watch out remedies and solutions on my YouTube channel, which I have uploaded. Also, I am selling energized and activated bracelets and anklets if you wish to book your session for men and women both. Okay, if you want to check out the designs and everything, so you can reach me out. So yes, let me check it out what's going on with Aquarius for the month of November 2020. What are you going through currently in the month of November? What are you going through in the month of November? Oh ho ho. Something happened in the past, Aquarius. A lot of fights, arguments, problems. I think or is about to happen. Oh my god. Something is about to shake up your life. Okay, there are external arguments, problems which is going on. Something is ending, something is coming to an end, or it has already happened in the past. Okay, so yeah, and you're thinking about it, and that's why your energies are coming over here. If you follow your present plan, what will be the likely outcome? If you follow the present plan, what will be the likely outcome? Okay, there is something new is approaching towards you. Okay, there was some sort of instability when it comes to your home life, family life, issues related to your family, Aquarius. Okay, what do you need to know about your career, relationship, or health? Everything is not very well into your life right now, neither career nor relationship. I think a lot of issues are going on when it comes to either career or relationships or health wise. Okay, what do you need to know to change the situation? What do you need to know to change the situation? You need to leave the past behind. Whatever is going on, fights, arguments, problems, you need to leave them, and you have to relocate, you have to shift, you need to move on, you have to go to a new place. You need to leave the past behind and move on. Okay, move somewhere else. Okay, so yeah, tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. Tell me something about your partner's feelings towards you. There is some third party involvement is there, I guess. When it comes to a relationship, you are highly indecisive, or you are dealing with a your partner feels that you are dealing with a third party, third person, third lover, third parents, anything. Third person can be anyone. Okay, so they are highly indecisive about you. Okay, that's why instability is going on into your home life. It might be resonating with only 5% of people or 10%, not more than that, because this situation is very, it is almost a personal read, I feel. Okay, so yeah, where this relationship might be going, where this relationship might be going, where this relationship might be going, guys. A lot of impatience is there, lot of fights, problems, not healing yourself. Spiritual awakening is not happening because there is a lot of blockages from the universe side into your relationship. Okay, I don't know, this is very bad. What should be you focus on from now onwards? What should you focus on from now onwards? What should you focus on from now onwards? What should you focus on from now onwards? Something which has to end, a particular relationship, particular emotion, anything is not ending yet in the month of November. It may take time, but something has to come to an end because it's a karmic cycle, karmic blockages from the universe side. Okay, something has to end, something has to start again. A new beginning, endings and new beginnings are on the horizon, but it won't be happening in the month of November. At least might be next 2 to 3 months it might be happening. Okay, what are your hopes and fears? 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 Your hope is that there is new financial opportunities waiting for you, okay, and your fear is that some sort of situations are ending, like how that opportunity will come towards you, right, related to financial things or new relationship, anything. But yeah, you're hoping for a new relationship or a reconciliation with your partner, or you want that situation should get better into this situation. A lot of this reading is pathetic. It's not at all positive actually. Okay, so yeah, to be honest, you're waiting for some sort of an opportunity, hoping for a new opportunity. Okay, what is the likely outcome for this month? Okay, something is not ending, something is not starting, like there's blockages in moving forward, taking an action, leaving the past behind. That's the problem, that's the blockages, not moving forward, not leaving the past behind. What is the spiritual guidance? You need to work on yourself, self love, self care, financial goals you need to focus on in the month of November. That is what spirits are trying to tell me, that you need to focus on yourself, self love and self care. Okay, so if you're going through some stagnant energy, okay, you do not have to be stuck, you do not have to have a stagnant energy. Okay, so yeah, strength, you need to be into your own power, you have to be into your own power. You will be stagnant, you will be stuck in the month of October, okay, and in the month of November actually. Okay, you might be receiving a lot of dreams when it comes to a particular situation, a lot of different kinds of weird dreams you might be getting nowadays. Okay, you are also feeling a lot of stressed out when it comes to a particular situation, and it might disappoint you somewhere. Okay, so yeah, okay, fighting, a lot of fightings, issues, problems are going on into your scenario. This is not at all a positive read, guys. Okay, this is the worst reading I've done for the day. Okay, I'm sorry, but yeah, to be honest, angel of balance, you are not into your own balance right now. Okay, you need to balance your outer world and your inner world, which you are not doing. Angel number 48, you need to focus on your own creativity, your own stuff, okay, which you're not doing. That's the problem, that's the blockage. Okay, what are the universal messages for you? What are the universal messages for you? I choose love no matter what. You will be choosing love no matter what. Instead of praying for an outcome, I pray for the highest good for all. Okay, wow, you are just going through a situation where you will start loving yourself more. Self love and self care should be your utmost priority in the month of November for you. When I accept the love of the universe as my primary teacher, I will always be guided back to the light. Wow, beautiful, that's awesome. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, let's check it out. What are the gemstones for the month of November? What are the gemstones for the month of November for you guys? Okay, I'm taking the first one. Okay, so yeah, your archangel is for the month of November. Wow, archangel Sandalphon. Okay, I allow angels to work through me. to provide healing for myself and others and the planet. I am a conduit for the divine. The planetary grids of light are activated with every sacred step I take. Angels light my path. Your message is, are you ready to release blocks of yourself and Mother Earth? Do you realize that your own healing helps to heal many people on the planetary levels? So, his message for you is, allow the celestial messengers to guide you to be a true earth steward and caregiver of the planet. You are the messenger of light and well being. Wow, beautiful, beautiful reading, guys. I am loving it. I am loving it. Okay, so that's a beautiful thing. Well, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Okay, guys, I just want to tell you, if you wish to purchase my bracelets and anklets activated for all the health problems, wealth problems and prosperity thing, so you can WhatsApp me. The details are given in the description box below, and you can I can share you the designs of the bracelets and anklets for men and women. Bracelets are for unisex. Okay, so you can contact me for the same. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Bye bye, guys. Thank you so much.